how many countries have you actually been to? Not a guess, the real number. Most of us can't say because the trips blur together and the list lives only in our heads. This is the tracker that finally answers it. It starts with the Countries tab, and here's the trick. The list is already done. All 195 countries come preloaded, sorted by continent and region. You never build a list. You just find a country you've been to and mark it visited. And the moment you do, the dashboard counts everything for you. Countries visited out of 195. Your percentage of the world. Continents reached out of 7. Every number reads live from your entries with no formulas to write. It even breaks your map down continent by continent, so you can see at a glance where it's full and where it's waiting. 12 of 44 in Europe, 2 of 54 in Africa. It's the honest picture of a life that goes places. For the journeys worth remembering, the Trips and Memories tab keeps the story, the destination, the year, who you were with, and the highlights you'd forget otherwise. Pick the country from a drop-down of all 195, and everything links up on its own. Then there's the bucket list, the other half of a traveler's mind. The places you're dreaming of, each with a priority, a target year, and a rough budget, moving from dreaming to booked to done. Watch the progress bar fill as you check them off. It's more than a spreadsheet. It comes with 3 guides, a Start Here walkthrough, a playbook on keeping a bucket list you'll actually use, and a printable travel log for pen and paper days. And if you prefer Google Sheets, one click makes your own copy in Drive, fully set up. Best of all, you own it. No account, no subscription, no app that forgets your travels the day you stop paying. Just a file you keep that will still open in 10 years and still remember where you've been. Start your map today, only from Ardent Workshop.